Hey guys, I'm sandhikshandas here. I will show you a tutorial that probably for those users who are not getting the call notification when the incoming call coming on their phone, and also they cannot control the music via this the music player of the music control system of this band 4. So this is a very simple process. So if you have that problem, stay tuned and keep watching this video till end. If you're new, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, hit like and share this video to your friends and family. So without wasting time, let's get started. So you can see there's an incoming call but they're showing no notification. So how to solve that? So for that case you have to do nothing. Just let me increase the brightness first and then go to the profile section, then select the mi band smart band 4. Then you can see there's incoming call. You can see it is off, so just switch it on. Okay, so incoming call alert is now switched on, and you can also keep it delay alerts in case if anybody is giving you a missed call. So for that case it will not show, so you can also turn on the delay alerts. In that case the band 4 will show that incoming call notification at some delay. Okay, so if I now call again, if my number gets any call, then now obviously it will show, I hope. So let's try. Look, here it is now showing. Okay, look at that. So this was the solution, that how to turn on the call notification. If you are not getting any types of music access, then just go to the app management section, and especially the music track doesn't work on the mi phones. I have also mi phones. In my mi phone it has a problem, but for realme phones it has no problem, such kind of problem on realme phones. So mainly on mi phones, music cannot connect to music or could not control music. This types of error give. So for that case, just go to the app and search the mi fit app on your mi phone, and for that reason just go to the manage notification and select allow notification, and also go to the permission and turn on all the permission of the mi for your mi fit app. Okay, and now don't worry, now it will show the music tracks on your band 4 to which one you are playing. Either maybe it is on and Amazon Music or Spotify or any other music which you are playing through your smartphone, and it will give you access to control the music from your band 4. Now if I play that any song from the Spotify, you can see it is already showing the same which I play. I can pause, I can play, I can go to next. For the realme phone it has no such problem, but for mi phone just turn on the notification from the either from the settings of your smartphone or directly from the band 4 setting on mi fit app. So I hope it was helpful. However, if you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also share it with your friends and family, and comment below if you have any comment. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell button to get notified about my each and every upload. So I hope to meet you in my next video. Till then, have a great time ahead. If you have band 4, just enjoy wearing it. So that's all. I am sandhikshandas signing off. Have a good day. Bye.